Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am officially back in my dorm. I'm actually happy. I had like 2.5 days I went home because I needed a break. I left Thursday, came back today, which is Sunday. So I got a good break and I'm ready for school this week. I really needed a break, y'all. Like I was beyond stressed. Like I don't even know how I was recording videos this weekend, but it was nice being home, just getting off this campus because sometimes you gotta get off this campus when you've been on it too long. So we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today. I'm going with really bright pink or red because I really, since I got my Steve Jobs sweater because, well, it's gonna be sweaters, but that's because I'm gonna be ordering some soon. Also, since my hair, I just wanted to do something really bright. So let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face, y'all. I don't understand why these black shirts get so lit. Like I need to get that's what I'm trying to order some more. I need some that also I was at home and I had a cat, so I threw it in my clothes and my cat was laying on my luggage. So boy, I could blame her for that. So we are going to be using, the main focus is going to be the trendy in Tokyo palette because it's so bright. If you guys, I'll give you a good tip. If you want a really good, like to get bright colors, go for a really good palette. Just to show you guys, I love this palette. Y'all know me. I use this one when I'm doing a really bright color, like blue, not yeah, like the blues, the purple, literally every color in here. It's super vibrant. This is it. This is the perfect artistry palette when you're trying to do different colors or trying to get a really bright color because it's very pigmented. So I'm going to start with my brows, y'all. And I didn't get none of my brushes ready. What kind of surgeon am I? You know, have your tools. I'm going to take my Ultimate Brow Palette I got from BH Cosmetics and my angle brush. And I need to brush my brows really fast. I already arched them this weekend, so I'm good with that. I'm going to fill in the mirror and it'll look more natural. Really just filling in the bald parts, mainly on the outsides of it. You might have to, like, depending on how you want your brow, I go darker on the ends because since there'd be like no hair, and I can easily fix that. Since there'd be like no hair on the outsides of it, it's like the darker, well, the lighter brown won't really show, so I go with the dark brown on the outside sometimes. Just depends. Okay, guys, so I got my eyebrows done. I'm trying to fix my light. I did my eyebrows. I already set my eyeshadow, so this is for my eyes. For the eyeshadow itself, I got the concealer on there. I set it. We are ready to go. So I had to change I had to put a shirt over this shirt because I already know the color gonna fall, and I don't want it to fall on the shirt because I don't want it to smudge. Cause y'all, I mess up a lot of stuff. It was like even yesterday I had that new color and it was just like falling everywhere. I was like, God dang it. So came prepared this time. So I'm gonna go in with my Trendy in Tokyo palette. I still have not decided if I want to use the pink or the red. I love pink, but I also love red. But I feel like pink would just look so good because of my hair. So I think I'm gonna go with pink, or I actually might mix the two. That's always fun to do. That rhymed. So we got the pink. I'll just use this mirror. I'm just putting this all over my lid. And I'm gonna put red over this because I feel like it'll be a really pretty vibrant color. Trying to make sure this color is like not falling. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the red on top of this. I feel like I'm using the same brush and I really hope it don't like overtake the pink, if that makes sense. That's what I thought I was gonna do anyway. First of all, can I ever say this? Can y'all believe that we are almost done with February? Like this isn't, I feel like this month went by the fastest and that's crazy to me. So here I'm just blending my eyeshadow out, y'all. It take a while to blend out pink and red. Seriously, you gotta blend the heck out of this stuff. I cut some of this off. That's how long it take to blend because you want it to be perfectly, perfect. So I had a lot of distractions up in here, y'all. I was just trying to blend and then I was like, just fix it. You can add more, blend it. It doesn't even really matter. Okay, guys, so I am done blending my eyeshadow. It turned out really cute, the pink and the red. It looked like, well, once again, like another Valentine's Day color because it's like pink and red, you know. But I'm okay, I love it. I just, for some reason, I got a mirror in the back and I see a gap over here. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why that was throwing me off. But now we are going to go in with our eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do a little jewel under my eye, guys, just to make it prettier. Even though it's still cute, it'll be cute with nothing. I just kind of want a, you know what I mean? I really just wanted some pizzazz. It's gonna be, I'm doing a crease color too in my corner eye, but I think I'm gonna do a little jewel on it. Okay, now we got the eyeliner done, y'all. I'm gonna go and start with the face. I'm still trying to be careful because I know it's almost done drying. Also, my concealer right here because I had to fix my liner. So I'm taking my 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to foundation my face, if that's a thing. Nobody ever actually says foundation my face, but we're gonna keep it moving. I still need to try a different foundation one day. You know, you just get so used to something and you just don't want to try something else. I feel like that's me. But I'm like, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I know blending take a while sometimes because the color like get under my eye, but don't worry about that because you can just use your concealer. Don't worry about it if your foundation doesn't get it all. The concealer is thick enough and that's what it's for. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna go into with my foundation, my concealer. Let me put this up because I don't need the cool tan. I never use cool tan on my face. I just use it under my brows because it's kind of lighter than my others. So I just use the toffee and fawn. They're my favorite color. They're like the perfect tan for my face and also my skin color. A good tip if you don't know what kind of concealer to get, you know when buying concealer, you normally go up like a shade of your skin color. You want it, you could easily do like your skin color like that matches it, but normally you go a little lighter so it conceals and it like highlights under your face. That's the point of it. So don't be nervous if you like never about concealer, guys. I never get my main skin color. It's just like a little lighter than me. But I also mix, the good thing is that I like a tan look kind of. So like a good melanin tan because I got a good melanin skin color. I get like the lighter color and I get a tan, a color that's more tan. And I mix the two. I always mix my concealers. I like the balance of it. So now I'm gonna blend this out. Now I'm gonna set my face. I got done blending, which always take a while. That's why I cut it. I've cut it or fast forwarded because I'm not about to sit here and do that. It's funny because I did that at the beginning, like when I started doing my videos. I was watching them and I was like crying and laughing because I was like, "What am I like recording like 30-minute videos and not cutting? That's insane." Now I think I said this in another video. I refuse to make a video that's like longer than like 16 minutes for makeup. I'm not. It's just, I'm not sure. Yeah, it shouldn't be that long for a full tutorial. So now I'm going to contour the outside of my face. I also got to cut my hair again, y'all. Like, I bleached it, but I didn't, like, I cut my hair when I was home, but I think I dropped the smaller guards, which is what I used to get it really short under here, under my cabinet. So I'm going to look for that later and cut my hair because this is really short and it's good, but like, it's also curly, which means it's too long for me. So I really want it shorter. I just didn't have the guards. But I'm going to find it because I got to cut it. Which I'm okay with this, but I want it shorter. So, okay. So now we're gonna put blush and highlight. I'm going to blush and highlight my face. Why did I do that? Why did I touch the highlighter first? Oh my God. Well, I do the same thing, so I guess it. But see, that's what happens. It didn't mess up. And that's what I didn't want to happen. I had a really nice day yesterday, y'all, because I was watching WWE. I watched Elimination Chamber yesterday. And I'm happy my man Roman won. He's still a champion, so I'm rooting for him the whole time. So now I'm going to finish this, guys. You know me, I do my mascara, my lashes, lip gloss, jewels, and I'm going to take the shirt off so we can see this full look. So I'll see y'all after this. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I am so slow. I forgot to show you guys on camera that like I forgot to do the under eye and I forgot to do the inner corner eye where I put my highlighter. So here we go. I got the full thing that works. I got the eyeliner, the brows, eyelashes, foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter, earrings, lip gloss, under eye, jewels. We are ready. This is it. I hope you guys like it. I'll show you guys up close. Here we go. It's just really pretty to me. I just love this. And like I always say, the blonde hair really makes it pop. The pink and the blonde, like this is it, y'all. Especially with the black shirt. I'm definitely wearing this tomorrow. I might just add another jewel over here because the little jewels just look so charming. That's all they do. Is just they're so pretty. So also, if you want to know where I got these earrings from, I got these from Pretty Little Thing. I love Pretty Little Thing. I love the earrings. These was like $6, $7 or $8. Probably one is 5, 6, 7, 8. One of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I Iike Green, and I will see you guys on the next video.